बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। কারিগরি শিক্ষকদের এক মাসব্যাপী বিষয়ভিত্তিক ব্যবহারিক প্রশিক্ষণ কোর্স রেফ্রিজারেশন অ্যান্ড এয়ার কন্ডিশনিং রেফ্রিজারেশন সাইকেলস অ্যান্ড কম্পোনেন্টস বিষয়ভিত্তিক ব্যবহারিক বা জবের তালিকাসমূহ। উপস্থাপনায় আমি আবু মোহাম্মদ আতিকুল্লাহ, ইনস্ট্রাক্টর টেকনিক্যাল রেফ্রিজারেশন অ্যান্ড এয়ার কন্ডিশনিং RAC, ঢাকা পলিটেকনিক ইনস্টিটিউট, তেজগাঁও শিল্প এলাকা, ঢাকা 1208। এই সেশন শেষে আমরা রেফ্রিজারেশন সাইকেলস অ্যান্ড কম্পোনেন্টস তৃতীয় পর্বের সকল ব্যবহারিক বা জবের তালিকা সম্পর্কে জানতে পারব। জব নম্বর 1, স্টাডি দ্য ভ্যাপার compression refrigeration cycle. Specific objectives বা SO: identify the components of refrigeration cycle. B, start the refrigeration cycle. C, measure suction and discharge pressure. Observe temperature on discharge line, condenser, liquid line, suction line and evaporator. E, observe the effect of refrigeration cycle. Job number 2, study the thermoelectric refrigeration system. Observe the position of heating and cooling side of the thermoelectric system. Start the system. Measure ampere of the cycle. Observe the temperature on cooling and heating element. Job number 3, study the evaporative refrigeration system. Identify the components of evaporative refrigeration cycle. Check the voltage and ampere rating of the unit. Start the unit. Measure room temperature and the grill temperature of the unit. Check the performance of the unit. Job number 4, dismantle and identify all the major working parts of a open type reciprocating compressor. Specific objective: A, identify the external parts of the open type compressor. B, mark on the compressor head, valve, plate and compressor body. C, dismantle the compressor. D, identify the internal parts of the compressor. E, observe the operation of the compressor. F, assemble the compressor parts. Job number 5, dismantle and identify all the major working parts of a rotary compressor. Specific objectives: A, identify the external parts of the rotary type compressor. B, dismantle the compressor. C, identify the internal parts of the compressor. D, observe the operation of the compressor. E, assemble the compressor parts. Job number 6, dismantle and identify all the major working parts of a squirrel compressor. Specific objectives: A, Identify the external parts of the squirrel compressor. B. Dismantle the compressor. C. Identify the internal parts of the compressor. D. Observe the operation of the compressor. E. Assemble the compressor parts. Job number 7. Dismantle and reassemble the thermostatic expansion valve and identify internal parts. Specific objectives: A. Identify the external parts of the thermostatic expansion valve. B. Dismantle the thermostatic expansion valve. C. Identify the internal parts. D. Reassemble the TEV, thermostatic expansion valve. Job number 8. Dismantle and reassemble an automatic expansion valve and identify internal parts. Specific objectives: A. Identify the external parts of the automatic expansion valve. B. Dismantle the automatic expansion valve. C. Identify the internal parts. D. Reassemble the expansion valve. Job number 9. Identify the different refrigerants used in present situation by pressure temperature method. Specific objectives: A. Mark 1, 2 and 3 on 3 different refrigerant cylinder. B. Measure room temperature. C. Measure the pressure of refrigerant cylinder 1, 2 and 3. E. Compare temperature pressure with the refrigerant temperature pressure chart. F. Decide the name of the refrigerant of cylinder 1, 2 and 3. Job number 10. Transfer refrigerant from storage cylinder to service cylinder. Specific objectives: A. Evacuate service cylinder. B. Measure weight of the service cylinder. C. Connect hose between storage and service cylinder. D. Cool the service cylinder. E. Parts connected hose. Open the cylinder valve. G. Observe weight of the service cylinder for required amount of refrigerant. H. Close the storage cylinder valve and service cylinder valve. Job number 11. Recover CFC to ACFC 22 and ACFC 134A from refrigeration system by passive method. Specific objectives: A. Cool the recovery cylinder by ice and water. B. Observe the pressure of the refrigerant of the refrigerating unit to be recovered. C. Connect charging hose with the recovery cylinder and the refrigerating unit to be recovered. D. Cool the recovery cylinder and set on a weighing scale. E. Open the valve of the refrigerating unit and pass the charging hose. F. Open the cylinder valve. G. Observe the pressure and close the valve till the pressure stands. Observe the weights and close the valve. Job number 12. Recover CFC 12, ACFC 22 and ACFC 134A from refrigeration system using active method. Specific objectives A. Observe the pressure of the refrigerant of the refrigerating unit to be recovered. Connect charging hose with the recovery machine, recovery cylinder and the refrigerating unit to be recovered. Parse the connected hose. Open the cylinder valve and the refrigerating unit valve. Start the recovery machine. Observe the suction pressure and close the cylinder valve unit. The pressure at 0. Stop the recovery machine. Job number 13. Build up a refrigeration cycle with auxiliaries. Specific objectives A. Plan, draw a refrigeration cycle. B. Put at least 5 accessories in the drawing. Select all appropriate auxiliaries. D. Install compressor, condenser, expansion device and evaporator with all auxiliaries. Perform leak test and evacuation. Charging refrigerant for perfect cooling. এই ক্লাসটি পুনরায় দেখতে ভিজিট করুন ইউটিউব লিংক হলো থ্যাঙ্কস এনি কোশ্চেন ইউ ক্যান ফাইন্ড মি অ্যাট। পরিশেষে ধন্যবাদ সকলকে। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর অল। ধন্যবাদ।